At this point, allow me to present a summary of our deliberations, after which we shall hear from a select number of special guests. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, today was a great day, a historic day. Never before have so many leaders gathered to commit to action on climate change. I thank every one of you who came to New York with ambition and commitment. I asked for bold announcements from governments, business, finance, and civil society in 5 key areas. The summit delivered. The first, we heard strong commitment for a meaningful universal climate agreement in Paris next year, with the first draft to be presented in Lima in December. Leaders reaffirmed their determination to limit global temperature rise to less than 2 degrees Celsius by cutting emissions. Many leaders from all regions and all levels of economic development advocated for a peak in greenhouse gas emissions before 2020, decisively reduced emissions thereafter, and climate neutrality in the second half of this century.